Top 5 Best Benchtop Planer for Every Budget in 2025.
Number 1. This product stands out for its exceptional quality, stellar reviews, and unbeatable value. It's the top-selling and most popular item of 2025, making it a must-have for everyone. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 2. Our second choice is another best-selling product, offering exceptional quality at an affordable price. If you're on a budget, this is the perfect option for you. Stay tuned to see why this product stands out as a fantastic deal in 2025. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 3. This is best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box.
Number 4. Benchtop Wood Planer. Spiral cutter head utilizes 26 staggered and rotatable HSS blades for a clean, smooth finish. Onboard material removal gauge informs users about the cutting depth of each pass. Plane boards up to 6 inches thick and 13 inches wide. 15A motor generates 10,000 RPM at a 26 feet per minute feed rate. Number 5. Power Benchtop Planers, 3-blade, extended Infeeding table, high-quality 13-inch widened worktable, plane boards up to 6 thick and 13 wide. Easily adjusted tables and extensions for coplaner with table pull-out extensions, supplying 35 inch of total length for better support on the long stock. Precision machine cast iron bed and steel plate assist in keeping boards flat. Get your boards cut the way you want in no time. High precision 3-knife cutter. The bench planer features a quick change, solid steel 3-knife cutter head, assuring smooth and consistent performance for long life. After quenching and hardening, the hardness reaches HRC 55-60, which is desirable and durable. 2 speeds at will. Control how fast you cut with ease. 2 speeds offer quick planing to thickness at 24F/m or slower 15F/m for a smooth finish on the figured stock with minimal to no tear out. You can change feed speed to optimize cuts according to work needs. Material removal gauge and extra large thickness scale deliver accurate cuts with every pass. An unstoppable 2000W motor, the 23500 RPM motor of the planer provides one of the finest finishes of any portable planer. For additional security, the built-in 20A overcurrent protector will automatically cut off the power supply when the total current exceeds 20A. Low dust planing features a vacuum port for convenient dust collection. The chip ejection can be connected with a vacuum cleaner to chip off the cutter head, expelling chips from the machine.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.